Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make an automatic cow farm. So yeah, let's get into the video. So basically, first thing you'll need is any building blocks, I don't know the specific amount in survival, you can probably count them through this video. But yeah, you definitely need that. Something else that you will need is also fence posts, or oak fence. Any fence will do. Another thing that you need is dispenser and buttons. And other things that you'll need is redstone, and that's basically it. Oh yeah, and a bucket of water. This works in any version, but I'm in 1.8. So let's get on with the tutorial. So basically you're going to put 2 block high area right here like this. And I don't know if you're going to need the redstone, but I'm pretty sure you do. Then you place your dispenser here and put your water bucket inside. Now you can lure cows. You can get cows. You can spawn them, or you can lure them with wheat, hay. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where's wheat? What's wheat called? Crops? Does wheat exist? Wheat, hay, crops. I don't know. Okay, but you know what I'm talking about if you're on other versions. Just wheat, or yeah, wheat. Then you can put 2 cows in here. You can lead them up there. Then you need fence post there, that there. Now that launches them up. And where's the wheat? Where is this wheat? Is it in miscellaneous? There. Wheat. Oh, I just spelled it wrong. That was very embarrassing. Then you do that. And then make sure another cow. And then you can press that. And boom, you got 3 cows in there. Let's turn down sound. Music off. But anyway, you've now got 3 cows in there. So you wait for them to want to reheal. This might take a while. You know, in the meantime, you can make this thing look more appealing to the eye. I don't know, getting some slabs or stairs. Really, it really doesn't matter. But if you get some slabs and stairs, it can look really nice and it can feel good when you're walking up. No, they're not ready to redo it yet, but the baby will grow up, and eventually either entity cramming will kill them, or you can just kill a bunch of them by hand. You know, it's the way you got to do it. It's the way you got to do it. But that's a simple cow farm tutorial. Now on to no other tutorial. Cow farm tutorial done. Now on to the next farm. So for this farm, it is a cooked chicken farm. So basically you can have any block you want. You can have any block you want, but glass is probably better just to look at the chickens work. Then you need chickens. You also need a button. No, you don't need a button. You also need some redstone. You will need a dispenser. My personal one, it's not the cleanest, but you'll need redstone, a sticky piston, a block of redstone, and some slime block. You will also need some lava and a sign, but I don't have enough room in my inventory for that, so I'm just going to put that there and then up. Sign. Okay. So basically, this farm's a little bit more sophisticated, just a little bit. So you want to place some blocks up. I didn't put the hopper and chest in there, and I probably won't for this one as well. It doesn't really matter. You put a hopper and chest underneath. Everyone knows that. Literally everyone who's played Minecraft knows that you put a hopper and chest underneath. But basically, you put these up, put a bunch of chickens in, and I mean a bunch of chickens in, a bunch. And then, actually, you might need a hopper for the design. Okay, that's embarrassing. Get a hopper. Get this. Let's go right here, 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 here. Oh wait, no. Okay, I see how we got to do it. Yeah, I haven't made these redstone projects in a long time, and that was a disappointment. That was a huge disappointment. But basically, you want to get as much in there as possible, which means a lot. And then what you're gonna want to do is get some slabs right here. Yeah, and that should be right. So now, what you're gonna want to do is that there. Place this up here. Move out of the way, little buddy. You will be down there forever. Okay, wonderful. Then you will want some of this. And a sign. Wait. This might be easier than I thought. And then you just place... Am I right? You don't need a sign? Oh, I'm right. You don't need a sign. Okay. That was a lot simpler than I thought. You just put lava there. Then you get a chest down here. Right. There, perfect. So now, basically what's going to happen is your chickens are going to lay eggs that go into this hopper, which then go into here. So let me just, oh wait, and no eggs yet. Okay. So this is where this redstone clock comes in. So basically, let's just get this here, here, like that, and here, here, they need an obsidian block, which, so this is definitely less of an early game farm. You want an obsidian block. Ew. You want an obsidian block right here with redstone on top of it, going into this dropper, and then you put this here. And then once you have this here, that's a lot of noise. Too much noise. Too much noise. Let's extend master volume down. That's better. Okay. So now whenever the chickens lay eggs, see that? They get going. But see how the head's just missing it? Okay, that's too annoying. See how the head is just missing the thing. Yeah? Good. So see how the head is just missing that thing? Well now, once they grow up, their heads will get stuck. So let's change / game rule random tick speed, random tick speed 1000. Game rule update. 1000 tick speed. Come on, grow up faster. Maybe I just need to give them a little boost, you know. Get some seeds in here. Seeds. Give them some seeds. Do they eat seeds? Yeah, see that? Growing up. Then once they grow up, their heads are going to be fully in the lava. Come on. You see how that one shot? They shot an egg out. Come on. See that? See that one dying? And then you get cooked chicken. It works. And it's actually slightly compact for a little base. So that's how you make a chicken farm and a cow farm. I hope you enjoyed. You get a nice supply of leather, meat, cooked chicken, all that stuff. And it's also good for starter farms. So I hope you enjoyed this video.